Hi friends, welcome to our channel Ram Invented Tech. In this video, I am going to explain how to control an LED light by using a web server with the help of ESP8266 microcontroller. For this project, required components are ESP8266 microcontroller and one LED and one breadboard. The LED positive pin is connected to D4 and the negative pin is connected to ground. Now the coding process. Here we have to give our own Wi-Fi name and password. Next, select the board ESP8266 and NodeMCU. Then select the port. Now click on the upload button. The code was uploaded. Click on the serial monitor. Wait until the NodeMCU connects to your mobile hotspot. After it's connected, it will show an IP address in the serial monitor. Copy this IP address and paste it on your mobile browser. Now look, I am controlling this LED by using this website. Just clicking the on button and off button. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel Ram Invented Tech.